So today we have the Zealot S95, and as you can see it's a pretty big boy. It's really almost a boombox size speaker, and its bass performance is also pretty impressive. And even though they have 3 EQs, the bass EQ again and also the vocal EQ, which are also on the smaller S85, I do notice that even though the bass EQ does give you a bit more bass, this speaker has already a big amount of bass performance and it's really solid. Something else also pretty cool about this speaker is that you can even place it on a stand. It has a mounting point for that. The only complaint that I could give on this speaker is that the LED lights here on the front are not very bright. They're actually pretty dark. Like on the sides they have some brightness, but on the front, if you have some sunlight or even bright LED light on the speaker, you don't really see this light very well. So that's maybe the only biggest complaint that I could give. But the overall audio performance, even though that the treble is maybe not for everybody in the best clarity side, it is pretty well controlled, and even on higher volumes the speaker holds up pretty well. It even gives me a bit of a vibration, but in a good way in the body if you use some bass heavy songs. It's pretty impressive for a speaker this price, but also for a Zealot speaker. So without further ado, here are a few audio samples. We will start with audio samples on normal EQ, and I also have a few on the bass EQ to showcase a bit how that performs. But for me, the normal EQ is fine. It's really almost perfect.
Brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I was hard. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. I wanna be that goes hard. I wanna be that goes hard. Pop, pop. barely scratching the surface. This obsession of mine is fueling the furnace. I'm up all night in time. What's on your mind? I read it from your eyes. Can we leave? Make the time stand still. What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. Tell me where